This emergency broadcast system is now active by the SCP Foundation, and to avoid serious injury or death, please follow the instructions given. There has been a breach in one of our facilities that hold anomalous entities and are highly dangerous. Near your location, subjects that are confirmed to have escaped is SCP-106. 106 appears as a elderly humanoid with a general appearance of advanced decomposition. This appearance may vary, but the rotting quality is observed in all forms. If you see this humanoid, contact the closest police station. Our site agents are located there. We already have MTF. Alpha 11 is trying to recover the being. Keep all doors unlocked for MTF to relocate you. Warning, do not panic. Stay calm. 106 is drawn to prey. This broadcast will now silence for your safety.